Welcome to Motos Update. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated two-wheeled releases of the year, the 2025 Honda Maxi Scooter. As the urban mobility landscape continues to evolve with electrification, smart features, and rider-focused design, Honda has responded with a machine that redefines what a maxi scooter can be. So whether you're a city commuter, a weekend explorer, or just a fan of sophisticated two-wheeled engineering, stick around. This scooter might just be your next dream ride. The 2025 Honda Maxi Scooter marks a bold evolution in Honda's urban lineup, blending premium design with cutting-edge technology. This year's model isn't just an upgrade, it's a reimagination. Honda clearly went back to the drawing board, not to reinvent the wheel, but to improve every inch of it. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the new Honda Maxi Scooter immediately commands attention. It looks aggressive but refined. The front end is sleek and aerodynamic, featuring a redesigned LED headlight system that cuts through the night with surgical precision. Above it, the scooter comes standard with an electronically adjustable windscreen, an upgrade from previous models, which enhances rider comfort and aerodynamics at high speeds. Bodywork has been streamlined, and you'll notice the subtle but effective air channels integrated into the side panels. These not only help with engine and battery cooling but also reduce wind resistance. The paint options include classic Honda Red, Pearl Nightstar Black, and a new addition, Electric Sapphire Blue, which really pops under sunlight. The seat has been re-engineered with comfort and ergonomics in mind. Whether you're riding solo or with a pillion, the multi-layer cushioning and broader back support deliver a luxurious feel over short and long distances. And yes, the seat height has been slightly lowered this year to make the scooter more accessible to a wider range of riders. Underneath, there's generous under-seat storage, enough for two full-face helmets and a laptop bag, with room to spare. When you climb aboard, you're greeted by a fully digital TFT dashboard. It's not just colorful and crisp, but also smart. The 7-inch display supports Honda's RoadSync system, allowing smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth. You can manage navigation, take calls, view messages, and control music, all while keeping your hands on the grips. Voice command integration is improved in the 2025 model, now compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now let's talk about performance. This year, Honda offers two powertrain variants, a traditional 745cc parallel twin combustion engine, an evolution of the reliable engine found in the previous Forza 750, and a brand new fully electric version, the EMX variant. We'll break both of them down for you. The ICE internal combustion engine variant delivers a healthy 58 horsepower and around 69 Nm of torque, giving it enough grunt for spirited highway runs and smooth overtaking. Paired with a refined DCT dual-clutch transmission, the gear shifts are silky smooth. You can let the bike shift automatically or switch to manual mode using the paddle shifters on the handlebar. Honda's traction control system, now in its third generation, gives riders more customizable riding modes: standard, sport, rain, and custom. Fuel efficiency has also improved by about 8% compared to the previous generation, thanks to better combustion mapping and weight reduction. The new frame uses lightweight aluminum alloy and a reinforced rear subframe, making the scooter more agile without compromising stability. But it's the electric EMX version that's really stealing the spotlight this year. This variant is powered by a high-output, liquid-cooled motor pushing out 45 kilowatts. About 60 horsepower equivalent with instant torque delivery. You'll go from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in under 3.8 seconds, fast enough to leave most cars behind at a traffic light. The battery is a 9.6 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion pack, giving a real-world range of about 170 kilometers per charge in mixed conditions. Fast charging allows 0 to 80% in under 40 minutes, and standard charging via a home wall unit takes roughly 4 hours. Riders can use the Honda Smart Charge app to schedule charging during off-peak hours, monitor battery health, and even locate charging stations in real time. The EMX variant also supports V2H vehicle-to-home functionality, meaning it can feed electricity back into your home during a blackout. The scooter rides on 15-inch front and 14-inch rear alloy wheels, with wider tires for enhanced grip. The suspension setup is handled by Showa, featuring a 41mm front fork and twin rear shocks with adjustable preload. It's compliant yet responsive, soaking up potholes without losing that sporty edge. The braking system includes dual 296mm front discs and a single 240mm rear disc, with Nissan calipers and dual-channel ABS as standard. Safety and tech features are where Honda really pushed the envelope. The 2025 Maxi Scooter includes radar-assisted adaptive cruise control, rare for scooters.